Hi everyone, welcome to watch OA Portable Interactive Whiteboard presentation. Firstly, please insert the CD. Copy the CD software to your computer and complete the installation. Then connect the computer to the projector and connect the sensor to the computer via USB cable. Open the Interactive Whiteboard program. Select 4-point calibration. You need to manually move the red dot into the circle. Click 4 points on the projection screen. Calibration completed. Or you can also choose Auto Calibrate mode to finish the calibration. Now we can have a great fun with Google Maps. Zoom in or zoom out. You can open the browsers, touch and switch web pages freely, or draw pictures with your friends together, play games, even operate ABC software or other software. Or you can also draw a circle on it. Use rulers, triangle rulers, protractors, and other tools. See, we can easily zoom in, zoom out, or rotate pictures. And don't forget, we can also annotate PPT. When using Finger Touch Interactive Whiteboard, please adjust the laser emitter clockwise by using a screwdriver until the projection screen turns to black. Then choose the Auto Calibration mode to complete the calibration. Finger Touch Interactive Whiteboard also supports multi-users. Operate ABC software and play games. Very well, this is the presentation for OA Portable Interactive Whiteboard. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.